Alright, so in this video we're going to cover your catering and events page. So first we have this packages section that includes a slider and a listing of different catering packages. Next we have this area that's kind of split in half between sides and add-ons. So we'll cover how to add and remove some of these. We're going to cover this orange how to order section, as well as this group dining area that has a form for visitors to submit. So if we are already logged into our admin dashboard, let's hit this edit page button up here. And the first thing you're going to see is the landing text that is right under this packages area. So you'll see that group dining is a link, and this link actually scrolls all the way down, prompting guests to the form down here. So this area is very simple to edit text. What you'll probably be editing more are the different packages. So we're under this subsection called Catering Page Options, and we're under the first tab for catering packages. You'll see that each catering package has a field for a title, a description, and a cost. And just one thing to mention, we've added this neat little feature that lets visitors hover over text to see exactly what sandwich they could add to their catering package. So to do that, I would just go through this section, and to make it less complicated, I would just copy and paste this code that we've already inserted. And what's important to note is that you see here it says menu item and then item equals with the exact menu item in between quotations. So if you wanted to add another item, you'd have to look at your menu page and you would have to put the exact title of that menu item for it to automatically pull through. So you couldn't just put biscuits, you would have to put the full title that's on your menu page, so it would be mini biscuits 6-piece. So let me just remove this code for right now. If you wanted to add another package, you would go scroll down to this blue button right here, add catering package. You would put in the title field, the description, and the cost. And that would add it to the bottom of this catering options list. To rearrange different package titles, you'd hover over this left-hand gray bar right here. You just drag up and down and you have full control of the order. And if you wanted to remove a catering package, it's very easy. You just hover over this minus button. Yes, we want to remove it, and it's gone. Let's scroll back up slightly. The next tab on this catering page options are the sides. So this is very easy. If we wanted to add a new side, go down here. I don't know, we'll do a test side. We'd select an image from either our media library or we can upload a photo from our computer. We'll just use the Snuggets for an example, and boom, the extra side is in. Similar to all slider functions on the website, you can rearrange just by a quick drag and drop by hovering over this gray area. And to add or remove, you can always hit these plus or minus buttons. We're going to remove this that we added during our example. If you scroll down to we have a couple more tabs here. So this is the sides function. We also have the add-ons, and these have a third column for the add-on cost. So very similar to the sides, it has a title area. You can upload a photo, but the add-ons will also include additional information, which would be the price. The next area of the catering page is this how to order area. So you see that it's split in between a top content area, which is right here, and then we have a footer. So let's take a look at what this looks like on the website. So eventually you're going to add a button here for your 411 catering, which is why it just looks like a bunch of text right now. But these are the two fields that you would use to edit the orange catering portion of the catering page. Next, we're going to move on to group dining. Up here, you'll see the paragraph content that you can edit. And you'll see that we have set up a form, and we have form number 3 set up to automatically pull through the website. And if you wanted to edit any of the forms, you can check our basic WordPress tutorials, and there is a video for adding new forms to your website. Let's see, we have this catering slider down here. And these images actually correlate next to the catering packages. So it's just nice to have a visual to accompany these listings. And if you wanted to add or remove images from here, this is where you would do so. It's easy to rearrange and to add and remove. This extended option slider that's on the footer of your dashboard is this masthead image up here. So like any page on your website, if you wanted to edit that photo, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you can select something from your media library. And don't forget to go to the Publishing tab up here and hit Update to save your changes so nothing gets lost.